The beauty about Microsoft Stream on SharePoint over Stream Classic is that you can literally upload a video from anywhere in Microsoft 365, and that could be Teams, OneDrive, SharePoint Library, Engage, Viva Engage. Now, in this example, I'll show you to do that using Microsoft Teams. So to the right is Stream, of course. To the left, top left is Microsoft Teams, and to the bottom of Microsoft Teams left is my Explorer. So what I'm doing is I'm in a chat and I'm going to share a video file in that chat. And by doing so, I'm literally uploading that file to be accessed by Stream on SharePoint. So I hit send. Now go ahead, refresh, and you'll see that the file will present itself. And here it is. Now, clicking on it, I can view it directly from Stream, the video itself. And there you go. Now, let's go back to Teams. I can go ahead from the chat and hit the option button, go to copy link, and it will provide me with methods that I can use to share this file. So whether it's to a direct person, to a team, person external to the company, I can do just that. So I would not need to go back to Stream to do that bit. And just to add, you could also manage this the same way from the File tab. So the files in the chat will basically have a consolidation of all the files that's been shared in that particular chat. And you can go through that, or you can do it from via the chat. The results remain the same. Going to the option, going to copy, and you're presented with the same option as you did from within the chat itself, the body of the chat. I hope this was informative for you. Have a good one.